kids, welcome to Tegan's Round. Today we're going to make glow-in-the-dark slime. This is what you need: a spoon, baking soda, glue, eye drops, and a bowl. It's time to make slime. First, you have to pour in all of the glue. Now that the glue's in there, now it's time to put the spoon of baking soda in. I already did the baking soda now, but I don't need colored dye because my glue is already blue. Next, drop some. Next, you gotta stir it. Now that we're done mixing it, it's time to take it out and stretch it. Sometimes you have to roll it to make it better, so it's not that sticky. And you heavily want to stretch it through. This is how you make glow-in-the-dark slime. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe right here and hit the bell right here and hit the thumbs up right there. Bye. I'll miss ya.